गोविंद जी, आप एक्स यात्री रह चुके हैं जागृति यात्रा के। आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी कि आपने कैसे ये मतलब जागृति यात्रा के लिए सोचा और उससे आपका क्या अनुभव रहा था?
So when I was a Yatri in 2011, so I was a facilitator.
ओके।
So I was inspired by this so-called euphoria around entrepreneurship. So I also started a Odisha version of the Yatra called Odisha Yuva Jagran Yatra. And that was the time I visited across Odisha to get rural entrepreneur.
ओके।
So I'm an ex-TIS alumnus. So then I thought that I will work with the poison-free food and the basic necessities like cloth and food are the basic necessities. So today we have a vibrant group of 800 odd weavers. We don't use any toxic carcinogenic dye. We have a concept called soil to self ecosystem. So cotton farming से लेके इवन हैंड स्पिनिंग, डाइंग, वीविंग सारे चीज़ें एक ही क्लस्टर में होता है. एंड वी हैव ए फूड ब्रांड कॉल्ड परंपरा. सो वी हैव 17 टाइप्स ऑफ फूड फ्रॉम राइस, जैगरी, इवन any snacks item we are doing it in Odisha and selling across 7 continents. Yes.
Okay, that's really amazing. But I would like to know, like, how you are able to manage these 800 people. And you said that you have a core team of 50 members, and you are the director of that. So tell me the essence of managing the whole.
So that is
weavers.
my home district also, Mayurbhanj.
Okay.
So when I used to also write for Times of India. So when I wrote about this, the founder of this initiative, Vindu, she came from Bengaluru, and we started organizing weavers, and we started in a small cow shed. And then we felt that whatever they used to be, it was a revival project, and we could find that in soft fashion these stories of revival and old thing is very prominent, and people
Right.
like that thing. So we started with that, and we thought of making sustainable packaging
Right.
as one of the venture instead of the sari or kurta. So that's how we could get good revenue, and we could get a vibrant community of 800 plus. Our story was talked by Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the PM Man Ki Baat also.
Uh-huh.
And we also offered the Santali Sadi. So President Draupadi Murmu, she comes from my district. So we offered Santali authentic sadi.
Right.
Now it has also become a brand. So that is how we became a collective.
So while talking to you, I'm really getting goosebumps. I belong to a remote area of Bihar, and I really want to do something like that. Let me know something with which I can help my people
Oh,
and have
fantastic.
something like this.
We have a small project in Champaran. We are working with the community, the weaver community. So Musahar community में जो weaver है. We are also trying to make bamboo lampshades.
Okay.
And also we are also trying, we have a friend, he is working with makhana and also
Right.
banana fibers.
Right.
So we are also cross learning from each other.
That's
So
brilliant.
he is helping with the banana fiber for cotton. So Bihar has a lot of potential in the fiber making.
Okay.
So that can do really wonder. And textile mein even CDB is inviting us to Bhagalpur. We are trying to create some cluster there. So certainly.
Do you take some training camps or workshops or any such sort of educating camps for them?
Yes, we called a cluster development program. First, we identify any lost art. Then we partner with organizations like CDB and NABARD. Then we revive it. Then we try to get them market linkage. That is how we work. But it starts with an individual always. So whoever is willing to start this kind of a thing, we bring them on board, and then we build the enterprise around them. Yes.
That's really inspiring. Thanks for sharing your journey.
Pleasure all mine.
And it will really help something in Madhubani and Darbhanga where we can
Oh,
bring
fantastic.
again
Okay.
Madhubani painting, achar and all the other things along
We are
with the
trying to
handicraft
put
design.
Madhubani painting in the saris also.
Right,
You are from Madhubani?
right.
Okay, we'll be connected.
Yes, sure,
Okay,
sir.
thank you.
I know Madhubani. Today only I didn't